Hey guys, we're back. Today we got the AirPods 3rd generation. So I wanted to unbox these, give a quick comparison to the AirPods Pros because that's the kind of design language that these ones have. So let's get right into it. These also feature the MagSafe case, so I do want to test that out as well because I think that's a pretty cool feature. But no plastic on these, just like with the new iPhones. So we just got these little pull tabs. And here's the papers, booklets, no stickers, nothing, just teaches you how to connect them. Not too much to know there. And here they are. It's actually a different size case than the Pros. It's a little bit smaller. Same shape, but smaller overall. So what else does it come with? Just your USB-C to Lightning. So good to have another one of those around. But here is the case. I'm going to bring in the AirPods Pro case. You can see the size difference between the two. So I was expecting it to be the exact same size, but nope. Maybe that's because of they needed a new shape for the MagSafe possibly. So let's put these aside, open them up, let's pair them. That was easy. These have the same glossy white finish like the others have. Both the Pros. Connection failed. There we go. Announce calls, customize. I'll do that later. But let's put them in. So you can see they are a little different than those Pros. I'll show you the difference. There's just no tip on the end. So, let's see what it looks like with the tip off. Are they almost similar? You can see a smaller speaker grill. A little different shape. So these are similar. I'd say a little bit different. Let's put the Pros away. And let's test these out. So they connected right away. And I just want to hear how they sound right out of the gate. So I loaded up some music that has Dolby Atmos. And wow, they sound awesome. Oh yeah. I'm getting some good bass with these. Much better than I've seen with any other AirPods. Alright, we're really going to test some bass with this. These are it. Okay guys, I could already tell the bass on these, if you like bass in your music, then these are the best AirPods. I haven't tried the Max, but as far as in-ear buds, these sound great. These are a little bit cheaper than the AirPods Pros, even though AirPods Pros are always on sale, typically under $200. They actually came out with a MagSafe case for the Pros as well. They didn't really announce it, but brought that price up to $250 retail. But I did already see that those are on sale for $220. But the AirPods 3rd generation, $179, so cheaper than the 2nd generation was. Those were $199, I believe, retail. Even though they've been out for a while, they were always on sale as well. But the 3rd generation, they don't have the active noise cancellation or the transparency mode, but they still do have the spatial audio. They're still water resistant, have the same H1 chip, so nothing real different there. But the battery life on these ones is rated for 6 hours on one charge, compared to the Pros with active noise cancellation. That's going to burn up some battery. But those were set at 4.5 hours. So hour and a half, that's a pretty big difference. And then in the case, they're saying that it's up to 30 hours of listening time until the case goes dead. Where the Pros, that was 24 hours. So there's some huge differences in the battery. So that's something that's nice. I mean, I don't charge mine very often, but when I do, they kind of take a long time. So I want to try out the MagSafe. So look at that. That is pretty cool. I mean, the MagSafe could charge the Pros, just Qi wireless charging, but that's pretty sick. So I usually have mine on my Belkin 3-in-1 stand, but I also have another small, just little desktop stand that I have right here that, it's nice to just, bam, put them on there and it's charging. So I could put them on my Belkin next to my bed. I've noticed that even though that has the bottom AirPod wireless charger area, I have had times where I throw it on there and it's not perfectly aligned, so I'll come back an hour later and they haven't even really charged much. So having the MagSafe, I think, is sweet. Don't know if it's worth how much it is now, I guess you could say, if you want to get the Pros versus the 3rd generation for that active noise cancellation. Then I can see that there could be some differences of preference right there, just with the typically about $20 price difference on the regular Pros versus the 3rd generation. But these sound awesome. These actually blew me away. So I want to keep testing these out, take them to the gym, take them around town, just see what it's like without having that noise cancellation, because I am used to having that now. But if you've never had any AirPods, if this is your first time, then I'd say go for it. Yeah, I like to keep mine in a little case with a clasp on the end, so I can hook it up to my gym bag. Which, if I do that, then the MagSafe is going to be obsolete. But for now, I'm just going to rock it like this. So just a quick video. Wanted to point out a few of the differences with the two different sets, the AirPods Pros and these new 3rd generation. I'll come back if I notice anything wrong with them, or if I notice any new features. But please like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be coming in with some more battery packs, an Anchor battery pack that is a new generation of that. I got a lot of cases for the 13 and the 13 mini coming out as well. So if you guys want to take a look at those, make sure you subscribe so you are notified. Hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to see them. But appreciate you taking a look at these with me. Again, It's Buck Life. Peace.